Hi folks, this is my video featuring my latest coloring book. It's called Images. It's available on Amazon.com. It's a coloring book and a journal. So if you like to write, this might be for you. I tried to put images in here that maybe seem familiar to all of us. Here's the title page. Let me see if I got this where I can scoot this over. Okay. And of course I have a dedication page, and you can color any of these pages. First page, just a couple little garden type scenes. Lighthouses. Mermaid looking at a ship. These scenes here are rather nautical, in case you hadn't guessed already. Treasure chest, all the treasure and loot, and the beach. Kind of an undersea picture. Now we're moving more into on land sort of things. I've included a couple mazes in this book. Little boat on the dock. What's a coloring book without some flowers to color? Another maze. I mean, let's go fly a kite. And of course, this is the scene from the cover. Scenes from daily life. Wishing well. I even included a misspelled word. I forgot the A. So much for proofreading. Little bird. And I love this tractor. I think it turned out really, really well. And of course, yeah, you have to have a barn if you have a tractor. And there you have it. And a sheet where you can draw your own drawing, or you can use that for trying out color combinations, any number of things. And of course on the back tells a little bit about me and a little bit about the book. It says Stacy Cobb is an artist using multiple mediums, including painting, polymer clay, papercraft, and drawing. She's from Northern Idaho. Images, coloring book and journal, contains over 50 original illustrations and illustrated journal pages. The illustrations range or vary from mandalas, mazes, floral motifs to scenes featuring mermaids, vehicles, animals, and people at play. And the book is entitled Images, a Coloring Book and Journal. You can search it on Amazon by just typing in my name, Stacy Cobb, and putting coloring book, and it should bring up all my books. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me the old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And there's a new video out every Friday. Again, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.